I'm gonna drop that hammer tonight. You know, fucking somebody up while I'm getting late. That's what's gonna happen. Cause, how could you fuck one of my best friends? I don't know. It seems in my experience, half these girls can't be trusted. They're looking for a guy for tonight. Will I ever find the love of my life here in Jersey Shore? I don't know. Will I ever stop trying? Fuck no. Michelle. Hey, baby.
I miss you. I miss you. I just want to let you know I miss you. I just want to hold you. I want you right here. I miss you.
Just another girl. Well, what can be better? Drinking a beer, eating my cheese balls. I know what can be better. Drinking my beer, eating my cheese balls with my girlfriend.
I can't stop.
So what did I learn here this summer at Jersey Shore? When my grandma died, I had to bury her. That toughened me up a little bit. When I lost my security blanket that my mom gave me when I was 10, that toughened me up a little bit. When I found out my ex-girlfriend fucked one of my best friends and I had to beat the shit out of him, that toughened me up a little bit.
She don't appreciate